Hey everyone, in today's video we learn how to change the thumbnail of a playlist. In the last video we saw how you can create the thumbnail of a playlist and why it is important. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So these are the thumbnails which are updated. And for doing this, you just have to go to your YouTube studio. Now, once in studio, go to playlists and you can see all of this playlist appearing over here. Click on edit button. And once you click on this, so once you click on edit, you can update the title, the description, and the language of this playlist. You can refer my earlier video how to create a playlist on how you can use ChatGPT to update this description. But if you want to change the thumbnail, you once you click on this, you can see this pencil icon over here. Just click on this, choose from library, and you can upload any image which you want, and it will be set as thumbnail for the playlist. I hope this is clear. In case you have any queries, please drop in the comment section. And if you like the video, to subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.